Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. In 5 minutes or less today, we will go over March 29 trades. And as you can see, the whole chart is pretty much red. It was not a great day for ARK at all. There are spots of green here and there, but we'll go over those to find out which one those are. And also, there is one company which is completely removed from ARKK. ARKK fund. So stay with us to find out which one that is. Please like and subscribe and support this new channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side. Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be Welcome back, guys. In the ARK Summary section, we take a look at high-level numbers. 43.8 billion market value, which is 2.7% down from yesterday. So not such a great day for ARK at all. Total market value is down, and overall trend has been down too. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully it will pick up in April, but right now it's looking not so good at all. In terms of number of companies that they are diversified in, they are maintaining 262 companies. Yes, I remember I told you that there is one company which is removed, but stay with me to find out which one. They reduced 4 companies in past as well. You can watch my old episodes to find out which one. And they added a company in last week, and that was Jaws Spitfire 3D printing company. You can watch that episode as well if you want to know the details about that. But today, maintaining the same number of count, or are they? Let's find out. So if you slice this information by various ETFs, 7 ETFs that they have, you will see that the biggest decline is in ARKK fund, which is 3.5%. Others have also declined 2.4, 2.2. This is 2%, 1.5%. 1.5, 2.1 and 0.6%. But anyways, so overall combined, it is down 2.7%. Biggest decline is in ARKK. In terms of number of companies, if you look at high level, it's a constant 262. But here you can see in ARKK, they have removed one company. And we'll talk about what company that is in just a bit. But that company is not removed from other funds that it is present in, and hence the total count remains 262 at a high level. But at ETF level, ARKK, they have reduced one company. And we'll find out which one. So good news, guys. We talk about it every day that once they add space ETF, everybody is waiting to see when they add it, and they have finally added it. So hopefully if they upload the data tomorrow, we'll be able to see the slice here of ARK Space Fund. For today, it's the same picture, guys. ARKK is the biggest fund, almost 50% of overall, followed by genomics, where FANG is supposed to come out of. Next generation web is 15%, fintech is 9%, robotics and autonomous is 7%, Israel and print is 1% each. But super excited about that addition of space ETF, which will be added tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see a slice if they upload the data. In terms of number of companies, it's 262, and they are ranked this way. We keep an eye on top 5. It hasn't changed. Tesla, Teladoc, Square, Roku, Zillow. We know that there have been some changes in rank 5 more recently. You can watch my Saturday episode where I'm showing the top 20 of every fund and all the funds combined, how they have changed over time in animated graphs. Without wasting time, let's move over to ARK biggest moves quickly for today. The threshold is 10% today, and we always take a look at biggest move 2 ways. One is by number of shares, percentage of shares movement, and second is by market value. Just because some companies may have very high stock price, and a small movement in percentage change may cause big change in the bottom line, and hence that company will get caught here in this chart, whereas it won't show up here because the percentage movement in the shares count was not so much. So hence we try to catch both the biggest moves in this way. Now this orange number is the ranking of the company in the overall fund, and this is the weightage. Don't need to really be very specific about weightage in this case. If you know the ranking, that should be good enough, but just for FYI, I have put it there. So in terms of positives, there is a lot of shares added, 170,000 shares added for Seer Inc. As I hover over it, you will see more information like which fund it is present in, total number of shares, trend, stock price trend, and market value trend. So Seer Inc. present only in genomics, and it has they have added 26% more shares there. Then Peloton is present in ARKW, and they have added 18% more shares there. DraftKings, this is many people's favorite. It is present in 3 funds, ARKW, ARKK, and ARKF. Maximum in ARKK there. They bought a lot of shares today. 492,000 shares for DraftKings, bought 13% extra, and they're buying the dip. Looks like it's $58 today. So that's DraftKings, and they continue to sell big tech to buy growth companies. So for example, they sold Apple Inc. Quite a bit, 18% sold there to buy other companies. I guess 79,000 shares down, PayPal down, Organavo Holdings down 20%. And yes, this is the company that they completely removed from ARKK fund. How I know, I'll show you in a bit. Netflix, again, 50%, almost 50% shares sold there. Adobe Inc., almost 80, not almost 140,000 shares, 81,000 shares, 81% shares sold. So all the big companies, they're selling and putting it in growth companies, looks like. Why I'm saying Organevo is completely removed. So let's filter it only by ARK to find out. Yeah, 100% removed. Organevo Holdings is the company which is completely removed from one of the funds. So that was the big reveal, guys. In terms of biggest moves by market value, only one company is positive, which is Twitter. If I hover over it, it's present in Next Generation Web and Innovation Fund, ARK. They bought a lot of shares today. Looks like they increased the position by a lot because well, I don't know why, but the stock price is up. I thought it was going down and hence they're buying the dip, but no, it looks like the stock price is also up. Well, if you look at the trend of stock price, yes, it is down, slightly going up today. They bought a lot again. So Twitter is the only company up in this threshold of 25 million, whereas there are so many others that are down. PayPal is the one which is maximum down today. They got rid of some as well. This popped up in the above chart as well. Adobe as well popped up in the above chart. Square Inc., which is their number 3 holding, again down. Even though they increased shares a little bit, it's down. Zillow is down again. Stock price down for Tesla as well. Netflix is down too. Exact Science, Teladoc Health. As I hover over it, please feel free to pause and take a look at the trends of the company that my cursor is on. You can see the trends for that as I hover over those. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, Spotify Technologies, Pacifica Biosciences, slowly getting rid of that. Rank 20 now. Tencent Holdings, Zoom Communication, Pure Storage, and Invitae. So that was all the biggest moves by dollars. And this is our brand new visualization, guys, just to spot the big moves in by color by the color shade. So grayscale Bitcoin is very green today, looks like. This has market value of 395 million. I'll also incorporate the pop-up charts for these ones so that we can have more information about these as I hover over those. Grayscale Bitcoin is a company that they invest in because they are not allowed to invest in Bitcoin directly. This company generally mimics the price of Bitcoin, so that's why they're invested in that. It's very green. JD is very green. Roku is very green. So this is ARK W fund, guys. In this, I'll only hover over the ones that are really green. So dark green are 3 here. In ARKK, nothing really dark green except this, which is Twitter, Twilio C. In ARKG, nothing really super green, but these are the two: Ionis Pharmaceuticals, Accolade Inc. In ARK Fund, ARK Fintech, again, nothing very green except this one, which is Morgan Stanley. In this one, Cardos Defense and Security, RQ. These two are very small to really care, but we'll have one more slice or one more rectangle, one more grouping, which will be space ETF tomorrow, hopefully, if they upload the data for that. So that's all, guys. Please subscribe, please like and subscribe, and watch it till the end. And thank you so much. This was your daily dose of ARK information. I'll see you tomorrow.